There will be moments in your life when it feels like the world is testing you, when everything falls apart at the same time. But listen to me. Your dream is still worth fighting for. Inspired by Chris Gardner's journey from homelessness to Wall Street success, this message is for anyone who feels like giving up. Welcome to Motivation Legend. Today's speech is inspired by the incredible story of Chris Gardner, the man whose life became the movie The Pursuit of Happyness, a man who slept in train stations, public bathrooms, and shelters, but still refused to quit on his dream. He said, "You got a dream, you gotta protect it." Let's dive into the mindset that helped him rise from nothing to something unforgettable. Chris Gardner's life wasn't just difficult, it was brutal. One day he lost his money, his relationship, and his home, all while raising a little boy alone. He didn't have a house, he didn't have a car, he didn't even have a bed. But he had something more powerful, a decision that he would not stay where life dropped him. Chris didn't have time to sit and cry. He didn't wait for motivation. He didn't wait for someone to save him. He just kept walking, even when he was tired, even when he was hungry, even when he felt broken. And that's your message today. When life hits you, don't stop walking. Pain is temporary, but quitting makes it permanent. Chris Gardner said something powerful in one of his talks. Don't let anybody tell you you can't do something, not even me. Sometimes the very people around you, your friends, your relatives, your co-workers, will try to put limits on your dream. Not because they're bad, but because they're scared. Your dream is yours. Your vision is yours. Other people don't need to understand it. Chris wanted to become a stockbroker, a job no one believed he could get. He didn't have experience. He didn't have a degree. He didn't have money, but he had belief. And belief is worth more than any degree on the wall. Protect your dream. Feed it. Fight for it. Because if you don't believe in it, nobody else will. Chris Gardner didn't just work hard. He worked relentlessly. He ran between offices, made hundreds of cold calls a day, never complained, never stopped. He said, "The cavalry ain't coming. You have to do things yourself." And that's the truth of success. No one is coming to save you. No one is coming to make your dream happen. No one is coming to hand you your destiny. You get what you work for, not what you wish for. If you want your life to change, your effort must change first. Even during the hardest nights, sleeping in shelters with his son, Chris Gardner stayed grateful. Grateful for a chance to try. Grateful for a healthy son. Grateful for one more day to fight. Gratitude doesn't erase problems, but it gives you strength to overcome them. Say this every day. I may not have everything, but I have enough to begin. Because the moment you appreciate your life starts giving you more to appreciate. Listen, if Chris Gardner can go from sleeping in a bathroom to owning a multi-million-dollar company, then you can rise from whatever life has thrown at you. You are not your circumstances. You are not your mistakes. You are not your struggles. You are your choices. You are your decisions. You are your dream. Today, choose to rise. Choose to chase your potential. Choose to protect your dream with everything you've got. Remember Chris Gardner's words. The future is something you create. Start now. Stand up. Take responsibility, take action, and go claim the life you deserve. This is Motivation Legend. If Chris Gardner's journey inspired you, hit like, share, and subscribe for more speeches inspired by the world's greatest motivators. Your dream is worth fighting for. Don't you ever forget that.